In this question, we need to prove using principle of mathematical induction 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n is less than 1 by 8 2n plus 1 squared. To do that, we need to check P1 first. Statement for P1 can be obtained by substituting n equals to 1 in the given inequality. For n equals to 1, there will be only one term in the series on the left hand side of our inequality. So that will be just 1 less than 1 by 8 2 into 1 plus 1 squared, or 1 less than 1 by 8 into 3 squared, or 1 less than 9 by 8, and we know this is true, so P1 is true. Next step is inductive step, where we assume that Pk is true, and using that we have to show that Pk plus 1 is also true. So let's assume Pk is true. The statement for Pk can be obtained by substituting n equals to k in our inequality. For n equals to k, there will be k terms in the series on left hand side of our inequality. So that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus k is the kth term less than 1 by 8 2 k plus 1 squared. Let's call this 1, and this we can take as given and use this to prove Pk plus 1. Now to show Pk plus 1, the statement for Pk plus 1 can be obtained by substituting n equals to k plus 1 in our inequality. For n equals to k plus 1, there will be k plus 1 terms in the series on left hand side of the inequality. So that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus k will be kth term plus k plus 1 will be k plus 1th term less than 1 by 8 2 into k plus 1 in place of n plus 1 squared. Now let's look at left hand side of this inequality. So left hand side equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus k plus 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k is same as left hand side of Pk, which is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 squared. So this whole left hand side will be less than 1 by 8 2k plus 1 squared plus k plus 1, that will be equals to, I can take 1 by 8 out common, 2k plus 1 squared plus 8k plus 1 equals to 1 by 8 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 plus 8k plus 8 equals to 1 by 8 4k squared plus 12k plus 9, that is equals to 1 by 8 2k plus 3 whole squared, and that I can write as 2k plus 1 plus 1 squared, and that is equals to right hand side of our inequality. So left hand side is less than right hand side for Pk plus 1. This implies Pk plus 1 is true and hence proved.